National Handloom Day, 7th August. The National Handloom Day is observed annually on 7th August to honor the handloom weavers in the country and also highlight India's handloom industry. Background. The Union government had declared 7th of August as the National Handloom Day in July 2015 with the aim of generating awareness about the importance of the handloom industry to the socio-economic development of the country. August 7 was chosen as the National Handloom Day to commemorate the Swadeshi movement, which was launched on this day in 1905 in Calcutta Town Hall to protest against the partition of Bengal by the British government. The movement had aimed at raising domestic products and production processes. The first National Handloom Day was held on 7th August 2015 by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in Chennai. On this day, the handloom weaving community is honored and the contribution of this sector in the socio-economic development of this country is highlighted. Objectives: to generate awareness about the handloom industry amongst the public at large and its contribution to socio-economic development. To protect India's handloom heritage and to enable the handloom weavers and workers with greater opportunities. To ensure sustainable development of the handloom sector, thereby empowering handloom workers financially and instilling pride in their exquisite craftsmanship. Significance: handloom sector is a symbol of country's glorious cultural heritage and an important source of livelihood in the country. The textiles and handloom sector in India is the second largest source of employment to people after agriculture. According to the 4th All India Handloom Census 2019-20, 31.45 lakh households are engaged in handloom weaving and allied activities. It is an important source of livelihood in the country and a key to women empowerment, as over 70% of handloom weavers and allied workers are women. The resolve to protect our handloom heritage and to empower the handloom weavers and workers with greater opportunity is reaffirmed. The government endeavours to ensure sustainable development of the handloom sector, thereby empowering our handloom weavers and workers financially and instilling pride in their exquisite craftsmanship. Steps taken for the purpose. A social media campaign has been planned for the handloom weaving community. All the secretariats of the states, textile bodies like the Central Silk Board, National Jute Board, e-commerce entities, retail companies and designer bodies have been requested to amplify the campaign. The Prime Minister has urged the people to use Indian handlooms and handicrafts and further spread awareness to others as well. The more the world knows about the richness, about the diversity of these products, the greater Indian artisans and weavers will benefit. Under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, Handloom Export Promotion Council (HEPC) is organizing a virtual fair connecting more than 150 participants from different regions of the country, showcasing their products with unique designs and skills. Other events include launching of a mobile app and backend website for Handloom Mark Scheme (HLM), the launching of My Handloom portal, etc. Suggestions: there is a need to promote the finesse of Indian weavers globally, to communicate, disseminate and engage with not just the global audience but the Indian diaspora as well. The textile clusters should be encouraged in making masks and other medical equipment that uses textiles such as bed sheets and contributing to the medical infrastructure. Government programs like Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, Vocal for Local campaign and Make in India need to be popularized within the country to increase the domestic demand. Corporate organizations must buy products from artisans for the purposes of awards, corporate engagement programs, and business gifting, which will facilitate direct producer consumer interface, thereby ensuring proper returns on the products to artisans. Initiatives such as Northeast Expo 2019 must be continued digitally so that states and the center have more online market portals for Indian handlooms, handicrafts, and forest produce, as the sectors are interlinked. While the markets move online, it is equally important for the artisans to get adequately equipped and trained in operating online portals. Online exhibitions through Indian embassies must be organized to make global audience aware of the rich legacy of handlooms and to honor artisans from India.